Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is conductivity. What is conductivity? Conductivity is a measure of a solution's ability to conduct electricity. In simpler terms, the more ions swimming around in a solution, the higher the conductivity. Why is it important in pharmaceuticals? In the pharmaceutical industry, maintaining the purity of ingredients and water is paramount. Here's how conductivity testing helps. Water quality. Pharmaceutical water, used in many drug formulations, needs to be incredibly pure. Conductivity helps monitor this by detecting the presence of dissolved salts and minerals, which can impact the drug's stability and effectiveness. Formulation monitoring, during drug development. Conductivity helps ensure consistent concentrations of active ingredients throughout the formulation process. Deviations can affect the drug's potency and safety. Cleaning validation. Cleaning and sanitizing equipment is crucial to prevent contamination. Conductivity testing of cleaning solutions helps ensure they're at the right strength to effectively remove residues. How is it conducted? Conductivity testing is done using a handy device called a conductivity meter. It dips a probe into the sample, and the meter measures the electrical resistance. Higher resistance means lower conductivity, indicating purer water or a less concentrated solution. Benefits of conductivity testing. Fast and easy. Compared to other analytical techniques, conductivity testing is quick and requires minimal sample preparation. This allows for real-time monitoring during production. Cost-effective. Conductivity meters are relatively inexpensive and require minimal maintenance, making it a budget-friendly quality control tool. Non-destructive. The test doesn't harm the sample, allowing for further analysis if needed. Thank you for watching. Watch our latest videos and learn with us.